If your clips are showing media offline in DaVinci Resolve 20, don't worry, this is a very common issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step. Whether just a few clips went missing or your entire timeline is offline, this method can help you reconnect your footage and get back to editing without starting over. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips and fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you are on the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This takes you into the main editing workspace, where you can see your timeline clearly and start selecting the offline media. Next, look at your timeline and select the clips that are showing media offline. If only a few clips are missing, you can click them one by one. But if your entire project is offline, you can press Ctrl and A to select all the clips on the timeline at once. That makes it much faster, especially when you have a full sequence that needs to be relinked. Once the offline clips are selected, right-click on them to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Relink Selected Clips. This is the key option that tells DaVinci Resolve to look for the original media files again instead of leaving them disconnected. When you select this, Resolve will open a file browser window and ask you to locate the folder where your footage is stored. Now navigate to the folder on your D drive, or wherever you originally saved your footage. If your files are on an external drive, another partition, or a different folder on your computer, go to that exact location. The more accurate you are here, the easier it will be for Resolve to reconnect everything properly. If your footage is organized in subfolders, don't worry, DaVinci Resolve can scan those automatically for matching media. After you found the correct folder, click OK or Select Folder, depending on the window you see. At this point, DaVinci Resolve will scan the subfolders and try to automatically reconnect the clips in your timeline. In most cases, if the original files are still in the folder structure and haven't been renamed, Resolve should relink them very quickly. If the relink works, the media offline message should disappear, and your clips should come back online in the timeline. That means Resolve found the missing media and restored the connection successfully. If a few clips still remain offline, double-check that you selected the correct root folder and that the original footage is still inside it. Sometimes the problem is just pointing Resolve to the wrong directory or an incomplete backup folder. This is one of the easiest ways to fix offline media in DaVinci Resolve 20, and it can save you a huge amount of time when you're dealing with missing footage. Instead of re-importing everything or rebuilding your timeline manually, relinking gives you a clean way to restore your project as it was. So, to quickly recap, go to the Edit page, select the Media Offline clips, right-click and choose Relink Selected Clips. Find your footage folder, and let DaVinci Resolve reconnect the files automatically. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. If this video helped you fix your media offline issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and comment below if you want help with any other editing problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.